So can you tell us what you're doing right now?
Just trying to work the rear oil seal carrier free. Might need some penetration with the oil. Time. Not long break.
So this is the March 17th update on the Panzer IV engine, and we're with Andrew, who's in charge of restoring it. Andrew, can you tell us what you've been doing on it and what you've been doing today?
Today we took the flywheel off the crank and we've been stripping this side of the engine. Various oil pump covers, fuel pumps, oil filter, just in preparation to split the top and bottom of the crankcase.
So what are some of the pieces you've pulled off?
This would be one of the two fuel pumps. They're driven off a shaft in the engine. They pump fuel through various lines up to the carbs. This is a cover for one of the oil pumps. You can see the one oil pump drive gear there. Another oil pump drive gear back here. And we're seeing lots of this thick black sludge, which, as gross as it is actually very encouraging for the bottom end of the engine. If everything was covered in that, that's probably the best case scenario.
So thanks a lot for your time, Andrew.
No problem.
Yeah.
Look at that nice paint.
Say again?
So look at that nice paint.
Yep.
It's original.